Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to this episode, and we're going to be doing a series of about 3 to 4 videos. In this series we will be talking about how to actually solve the problem that Cypress has currently. Problem is Cypress is unable to actually support you with switching tabs and switching windows in any of the tests you're doing on the browser. This is because of the problem that Cypress perceive is an issue like the cause problem, which is cross-origin issue. But there's now some group of guys went away to write a plugin called Cypress Puppeteer. This Cypress Puppeteer is used to actually implement this functionality. And this means it's actually a game changer, because it now means that many people who previously, during their POC, abandoned Cypress because their application actually does like a switching tabs, because Cypress doesn't do that, actually just left Cypress, would now need to come back because Cypress can now do that, obviously with the help of a plugin. So there are two ways to do that really. The first one is to actually, when you want to switch a tab, you actually click on the link to this tab and switch to it, follow it through. And the second way to do that is to actually open a fresh tab and then enter the URL that you want to go to visit, do your thing, and then come back. Those two options are fully supported with Cypress and Puppeteer. So let's see the option A. Obviously in the option A we see how to do setup as well. So let's go. First thing you need to do is to do npm install save dev Cypress /Puppeteer. This gets you set up. For TypeScript guys, an extra thing you need to do is to add this at Cypress /Puppeteer /support in your type. And then that's it really. And then the last thing though is to then go to your Cypress ports e2e.ts and import this option. Okay, so once that is done, you just write your test. But what you notice with this test is that the user will then do side dot. Once you've done this now, once you do side dot, you get the option for Puppeteer. If you get the option for Puppeteer here, then you need to invoke whatever method you've written, or obviously more like a task that you have set up in your side.config.ts file. You then invoke that, whatever that was called here, just call it here, and then you can carry on and do your Cypress testing, continue like an assertion or something. This will go and do the entire job. So let's see how it looks like. So in your cypress.config.ts, this is what this will look like. It will look like this. It will just have setup. I mean, you can move this on actually into like a plugin /index.tx if you know how to do that. But obviously in this demo I'll be quick. I'll just you have your on message here, and then you implement an async functionality. In this case I'm calling this here switch tab and get content. You can call this anything else you like, and then take this argument of Puppeteer browser and then go and do your thing. In this case now, this is like a method where we create a brand new or like a blank tab, fresh tab, and then just go and enter a URL that we want to follow through and then do our test. This is how Puppeteer does its own typing and clicking and then getting a text. These three actions are here. This is going to, on this locator it will just type in this, on this locator it will type in this, and on this locator it will simply just click. What is this function, this bring to front? This bring to front, what it does is just simply to actually focus Cypress, to focus the web page so that Puppeteer can then interact with it really. And when you finish, you can also use the function called switch back or something, you know, take it back or whatever, and then you get a text. When you get that text, you just return that back. So you can see once we get the text here, we dispose the this paragraph, the text itself, and then the paragraph that enables you the locator thing, and then close the page if you want to, and then return the text so you can carry on with your assertion. That's how to do that. Option B quickly is still the same, just one line of code. Here it is a case where there's a tab and you just want to like click through and just go with the tab. When you click through, this Puppeteer will just go and scan through and find all the open tabs, and then find it. So here it will just instantiate itself, go here and find all the pages, return these pages here, and then it will just find the specific one. Here you need to add what is unique to the page that you want to go to. Once you add it here, it will just find it. If you can't find it, it will just throw an error. But that's just the difference, and that's it really. Thank you so much as we continue the series. Thank you.